guys, this is Quizzle, back. I guess this is part 2 of my repinning video. If you watched part 1, I repinned this with the pins from this fortress lock, which are in order. First pin is a serrated pin, and then pin 2 is spool, pin 3 spool, pin 4 spool. So I repinned this with those. I kept, whoa, my bad. I kept the same key pins, so the lock does work. So I'm going to attempt to pick it for you. And I picked it outside of the lock case thing. It's late, so if I say something that doesn't make any sense, it's probably because of that. But I'm going to pick it for you, so here it goes. I'm just using the offset half diamond. I think that's pin 2. I think I overset pin 3. Go back. Oh, there it is. Alright. There it is. So, repinned master lock. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Don't do anything illegal. And have fun. Thanks for watching.